Hello and good morning. Today here we are going to check out the 2023 Model X. Tesla is 2023 with the brilliant red color with the fly high doors, and today we are going to describe and discuss about this vehicle because mostly of the X models the VIN is not easy to find out. Some of the viewers, they are asking about this. Mostly they are discussing about the number is located on the screen, and they're telling me about this number is located here on the screen, but actually this is not the right number. It's also okay.
I will show you what is the secret and the dangerous thing.
Look at this is the screen, Ron. When you apply for the brake, like when you want to drive the car, when you want to select the car and you want to drive the car, but still is no any sign, so you have to be careful about this. Is so much dangerous because they didn't mention, only they mention in P in here, and they mention in here neutral, but they didn't mention in here there are like for the drivers. Mostly the driver, they are familiar with the R and they don't know, like I know this the signs like his back. They're giving only the signs for back and forwards. There's two signs. When you selected this, it's going to the reverse. Look at this is connected to the reverse, the back sides of the car. So when you select the front sides, it's going to the front drive, like the forwards. It's in the forward mode is right now. But this is like, I think what you are suggesting about this car, because my suggestions, and I think this is so scary and so much like turbos, and it's not safe for the drive, like mostly for the uneducated peoples, do like new drivers who really want to try do the test drive or something. This is more scary for them, so you have to be careful. This is Tesla is providing only this the sign. When you select the sign, it's moving to the reverse, and when you select to the forward sign, so it's now in the drive mode. And the P you can select directly, press to the P, so the car is now in the parking mode. This the dangerous way. You have to know, keep your mind properly. That is, I think, because it's my experience, and wrongly I selected the back sign in here, and it was moving the reverse, and suddenly behind me there is one car, and the good thing I didn't hit it that car. So you have to be careful about this Tesla X model 2024. Number is not located like the third number. One is the sticker in here. This is the sticker number in here, and here in the dashboards and the door buds. The punching number is very important. That is different topic. So our content is related with the punching number because it is still secret, it's hidden, an important number for each vehicle. So that's why we need to know about this number. You see that's the right side door. I open that. This only it's because of I want to see the find out the chassis number is there. So let's see now. You have to come from back side on the right door, the sliding door. You see this already I opened this area. Open this. When you open that, you can see this the number in here. This is match this area. You want to see clear that. So this is all the short information about the Model X 2023 Tesla. This is the informations. For more interesting and more informative video, subscribe our channels and leave a comment.